also a 2017 GMC Sierra SLE with a Z71 package, and boy, do we got an awesome offer this month for you.
This vehicle comes equipped with a 5.3 litre engine, as well as the double cab and truck cover.
Inside you're going to have a lot of features with some really nice wood accents, automatic windows, automatic locks and mirrors, automatic adjustable seats with lumbar support, trailer brake, four-wheel drive, you're going to have cruise control, voice activated systems for your phone. Along with your infotainment system, you're going to have dual climate control, as well as adjustment of your pedals, traction control, tailgate light, park assist, and hill assist, along with all kinds of accessories such as USB 12-volt. Center console has lots of room, as well as wireless charging on the top.
Coming down to visit us at Bruce GM Middleton, we have some amazing deals on our leftover 17 stock at invoice pricing. Can't beat it.